Welcome back to your advanced guide to ranch roping. Today I'm going to show you how I tie off to my saddle when I step off to doctor something, whether I'm heading and doctoring with two people or whether I'm doctoring by myself. So pretty much what I'm going to do is, let's pretend Justin is the calf and he's going to hold that rope tight, and I'm going to go to the horn right here, okay? So what we want is, I'm going to go to the horn how I normally would, maybe 3 wraps. We're gonna go 3 wraps here, and this will work pretty much on any kind of saddle as long as you got a little shelf right here for your rope to go. So from there, after I got about 2 or 3 wraps on, I'm gonna take another wrap down to the bottom to lock, maybe 1 wrap, maybe 2 wraps down there to the bottom to lock this strand against my saddle, okay? So from there, I'm gonna take my rope and I'm gonna pitch it down in an area where I can get to it. That's very important. So you want it to be close to the calf. You don't wanna just throw it back here somewhere. And then I'm gonna bring this around and I'm gonna stick this strand underneath the strand of rope going to the cow, and I'm gonna pull it into right here to put it in a bind. Okay, and that's gonna be sticking out just like that. And so now when I step off to go doctor my calf, I'm gonna get down here and I'm gonna be working on my calf, and I can at any point pull this and release it to where if my horse needs to get his feet free or if I'm ready to let the calf up, that is how we're gonna tie off to our saddle, whether we're 1-man doctoring or 2-man doctoring and I have to get off and doctor something. Guys, if you like content like this, you need to check out 310edu.com. Use code YouTube50 to get 50% off your entire first month.